I've been waiting all night. Watch you blow a mile. Please don't come over, 'cause you're not sober. Yeah, now you know that ain't right. If your dude knew you was coming over, that would be a problem. Yeah. If our friends knew undercover love and they would try to solve it.
Okay, so we're in the middle of filming. I'm in the middle of packing right now. I've got all of my clothes that I'm gonna shoot, some of my shoes and all that stuff, and then my carry-on here. But the most important part are our American snacks. We've got Takis, chili limon, Flamin' Hot Puffs, Parmesan, garlic Parmesan pretzels. I honestly bought this when I was hungry. These are the snacks that we will be taking because you can't find any of this stuff in Korea. I also bought some cheddar cheese O's and some like bars if I kind of want that sweet peanut buttery taste. It's been the craziest last few days just trying to get everything in order before I leave to Korea. I just finished filming 2 full TikTok videos, which doesn't seem like it sounds like much, but it takes so long to do. I went to go get a facial this morning. I got my nails done yesterday night at Modern Pamper, and I got my hair cut, which let me show you guys what it looks like. So many things are happening right now. I've got like family coming over. I think I left off showing you guys my haircut. I'm wearing a black t-shirt, so you literally cannot see, but it's like this short now. Cut it a little bit shorter because the last time I cut my hair, I didn't get to enjoy the haircut as long as I wanted to. So I've been filming a lot of things before I leave. I've got a lot of packages coming in, a lot of things to take to Korea to film, and just tons of different things are happening. It's busy, but like a good type of busy. I feel really lucky to be as busy as I am, especially during this kind of time, so.
And I know that when you come along, I'll be sure. If it's wrong, then tell me that I'm wrong. I don't care. It makes me happy.
So we're here at the airport. We made it.
Then let's be happy. Then let's be happy. Yeah. Me and you, what we do, it stays between me and you. Me and you. What we do, it stays between me and you.
We're saying bye. We're not seeing each other for 2 weeks. Bye. This is my first meal. And I'm eating with my sister. I look like a hot mess. I just had something to eat because I was so hungry. I was really hot in the airport just because of how many layers I wore, because it's still winter-ish here. There's some snow outside. But inside it's really hot, and then I had to get temperature checked and I was like a little bit over, but then I took like my sweaters and my layers off and then I was fine. So that made me a little nervous and stuff too. But I'm finally here in my hotel room. There's tons of things that I'm going to be doing. I'm gonna try keeping myself as busy as possible and still shoot as much content as I can. I'm really excited just to be here, be back in Korea. Korea for me always feels like a second home. There's like all these like different quarantining rules. Like for example, we have to like throw our trash away at a certain time and put it outside. It's the only time of day we're allowed to open the door. There's like a speaker and sound lady that comes on and tells us, you know, reminds us like of announcements and things. But I just feel like it's like one day down, 13 more to go. I'm honestly just like a few hours in, honestly. I'm like a few hours in, 14 more days to go.
Baby, I wonder if we should just go separate ways. We could start over. We could start over. Trying not to let my feelings get to me. Sometimes I can't let them go. So now I got these voices. Now I got these voices in my head, baby. I can focus. Feels like I've been hypnotized. I'm terrified of losing you.
Yeah. Nice.
Trying not to let my feelings get to me. Sometimes I can't let them go. So now I got these voices.